In the name of Allah, who is the Rahman and Rahim, I am teacher Faima from Playgroup. Hope so you all are fine. Today I am here to talk about APSEC's online sport program. Through that program, we have started proper planning. We have sent you the planning of first week. Hope so you all have received. My dear students, I have one interesting activity for you. You all will enjoy. You all are requested to observe this activity attentively. You will need a marker, colors, and this worksheet. My dear students, now I will put my hand on the worksheet. Uh-oh, not like this, not like this. Close your fingers and move your thumb upward. Okay? Close your fingers. Now, I will use the marker for making the boundary around my hand. Now I am going to draw a boundary. Let's start. Yes, I am making a boundary. I am making a boundary. Yes, very careful. You have to draw this boundary. Yes, 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 yes. It's done. Now I will pick up my hand like this. Now, my dear students, I will join these two lines. I will join these two lines in a round shape like this. Okay? Now, what we have to do for making a duck? First, I will draw here a leaf shape. I will draw here a leaf shape like this. I am going to draw a leaf. Yes, now I will draw here one more line. Yes, my leaf is looking good. Oh, now it's a beak. Now it's a beak. Very good. Now, my dear playgroup students, I will draw here a small circle. This is a circle. This is a small circle. Now I will draw one more line in a circle shape. Oh, what is this? This is eye. This is eye. Eye. Beak. Beak. Eye. Now I will draw a number 3. I will draw here number 3. Not small number 3. I will draw big number 3. Okay? Like this. Very speedily. This is number 3. Oh, wow. We are just about to make a duck. Now, my dear students, look very carefully. I will draw here 4 lines, small lines. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now I will draw the feet. Wow! Wow! What we have made! Wow! We have drawn the duck. It's a duck. Duck is looking beautiful? Yes. Now, my dear students, we will make our duck more beautiful. What we will do? We will do colors. We will do colors in the duck. So, I will do yellow color in the beak. I will do yellow color in the beak. Okay? Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Yeah, beak is looking good. Now I will do the colors in the wings. Yes, these are the wings of duck. Yes, up and down and side to side and stay in the line. Up and down and side to side and stay in the line. Side to side, up and down, side to side, side to side. Yeah, I have done my coloring. Now I will do the brown color in the legs. Okay, I will do brown color in duck legs. Yes, we are just about to make our duck. Yes, oh, small white portion is here visible. Yeah. I am feeling all the white portions that are visible. Now I will do in the second leg. Is it duck is looking good? Yes, duck is looking good. So you all have enjoyed this activity. One more thing. Can you tell me what is the sound of duck? Yes, you are right. Duck sound is quack quack, quack quack, quack quack. Now playgroup students, I will wait for your hand tracing and duck coloring. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Have a nice day.